Hello everyone, my name is Rob Biddulph and my World Book Day book is called Charlie McGrew and the Horse That He Drew. Now, I have written and illustrated lots and lots of books, lots of different types of books. My very first book was this one, a picture book. It's called Blown Away, all about this penguin here and his kite and a very windy day. This is probably my most popular picture book. It's called Odd Dog Out, and it's all about this sausage dog here who doesn't fit in with all the other sausage dogs where she lives, so she has to go and find a place where she does fit in. But I've also written chapter books too. The Peanut Jones trilogy here, which I'm very, very proud of, which is all about this little girl who finds a magic pencil. But I was trying to think, why do I write the books that I write? And I wonder if there's like a theme that brings them all together. And I suppose the common thread that runs through most of my books is belonging. Okay, so finding your place in the world, being yourself, working out who yourself is, in the first place. And I think that's because, it took me a while to find my place in the world and work out who I was. And I think all of the best writing comes from the heart, so it comes from your own experience. So I think that's the common thread with my books. I kind of write about what I know. Now I wonder if you guys do the same when you're writing your stories. Do you? I bet you do. Whether you realise it or not, I bet you do. So listen guys, I hope you have a very happy World Book Day, and I will speak to you again very soon. Bye.